What if the future of sustainable living could fit right in your driveway? Imagine a home that seamlessly combines cutting-edge technology with minimalist design, a space that redefines modern housing through modular innovation. That's exactly what the Tesla Tiny House 2025 offers, a revolutionary concept designed to transform the way we think about affordable, flexible, and sustainable living. If you're intrigued by the intersection of technology, sustainability, and modern living, then you won't want to miss what could be the next major disruption in the housing industry. Let's start with something that might surprise you. Tesla's tiny house garage is far more than just a place to park your car. It's an intelligently designed space that adapts to your needs, whether for storage, a home workshop, or even an office. With dimensions of 21.3 feet long by 11.5 feet wide, it comfortably accommodates standard Tesla vehicles like the Model Y or Model 3, while also offering additional functionality. Tesla has taken durability to the next level, utilizing a high-strength recycled steel frame engineered to withstand Category 4 hurricane winds ranging from 209 to 251 kilometers per hour. The walls feature graphene aerogel insulation, improving energy efficiency by 60%, ensuring warmth during winter and cool conditions in summer. Meanwhile, the roof has an extraordinary load capacity of 500 kilograms per square meter, making it resistant to heavy snowfall and hail. An advanced ventilation system maintains air quality, preventing mold and ensuring a comfortable workspace. Tesla's smart hanging system offers organized storage for gardening tools, repair equipment, and even electric bicycles, keeping everything accessible yet neatly tucked away. With a 240-volt outlet, the garage also doubles as a power hub, allowing you to charge EVs or operate workshop equipment with ease. Would this multifunctional garage meet your needs, or would you prefer an even larger space? Let us know your thoughts. Now let's talk about how Tesla's modular tiny house design can offer up to 1,600 square feet of living space without sacrificing flexibility. At its core, the Tesla Tiny House 2025 consists of three interchangeable modules, each measuring 20 feet by 20 feet, 400 square feet. Homeowners can start with a single module and later expand to a three-module configuration, creating a spacious 1,200 square foot home, ideal for a family of 4 to 5 people. Need more space? A fourth module brings the total to 1,600 square feet, rivaling traditional homes. Each module is designed for specific functions. Module 1, fully equipped kitchen, living room, and bathroom. Module 2, spacious master bedroom and dedicated workspace. Module 3, secondary bedroom, guest room, or entertainment area. For those looking for customization, Module 3 can be transformed into a home gym, studio, or hobby space, tailored to individual lifestyles. And here's the best part. Adding extra modules is shockingly affordable at only $3,689 per module. Plus, Tesla offers a $3,000 shipping discount and a free furniture set valued at $2,500 for those opting for the three-module setup. Would you prefer to start small and expand later, or go all in with a full modular setup? Let us know. For homeowners in harsh climates, structural durability is a top priority. Tesla's Tiny House 2025 is designed to be 3 times stronger than traditional homes when facing extreme weather conditions, particularly heavy snowfall and freezing temperatures. With a strategic 35 to 40 degree sloped roof, snow naturally slides off instead of accumulating. The thermoplastic polyfen membrane can support up to 60 pounds per square foot, more than 1.2 meters of snow, significantly outperforming conventional homes that manage only 20 to 40 pounds per square foot. The walls incorporate graphene aerogel insulation, 60% more effective than traditional materials. This works in harmony with Tesla's smart heat floor system, reducing energy consumption by 40% while keeping the home consistently warm. Meanwhile, smart glass windows prevent frost buildup and automatically adjust brightness for maximum natural light during winter. How much do you currently spend on heating? Would a Tesla home help you cut down your energy costs? One of the biggest challenges for off-grid living is waste management, but Tesla's smart sewage system makes it effortless. Unlike traditional homes requiring complex plumbing, Tesla's design is both efficient and independent, making it perfect for remote locations or urban settings. The system includes an ultra-efficient, water-saving toilet using just 1.6 liters per flush, significantly less than standard toilets. Paired with a 946-liter septic tank, a family of four can live comfortably for an entire month before needing maintenance. Tesla's wastewater treatment technology ensures environmentally friendly processing, making this one of the most sustainable housing solutions available today.